We'll continue. Wait. I will record too. Okay. So Ishkop, I think I not Ishkop. I think Samogia is a lang violet. Yeah, it's a boring. Not very difficult, like a Pachia. So next chapter is not very easy one. This chapter is very easy. Yeah, very easy. So if you remember the Chaita and Chitasika, and that's why we more easy. Okay, so last week we finished the Magga, yeah, Magga. So all these information are not very difficult. So you can read yourself. So here, the Indriya. So Indriya, there are 22 Indriya altogether. And as a ultimate reality, Dhamma Bodhi, they're altogether 16. Yeah. 16. Yeah. 16 as a Dhamma Bodhi. Yeah. There's an Indriya's name, altogether 22. So if we make three group, yeah, of the 22 Indriya faculty. So the first group is a pure material faculties: Chakku, Sota, Kana, Jinwa, Kaya. So I think I should tell for the beginner. So here, Chakku and Indriya. Yeah, Chakku and Indriya. Yeah, Indriya. So if we combine together, so then Chakkhondriya. Yeah, Sota and Indriya, Sota Indriya. Kana, Jinwa, Kaya, 80 and Indriya. Yeah, 80 and Indriya. And Purisa and Indriya, Purisa Indriya. So these are pure material faculties. As the ultimate reality, the Chakkhondriya is Chakku Pasada, Sota Pasada, Kana Pasada, Jinwa Pasada, Kaya Pasada, and 80 Bawa and Bombawa. So all these have been already studied in Rupa Sangaha in previous last chapter. And next is the mixed faculty. Mixed faculty, Jiwitendriya. So in the one of the 52 Chitasika mental factors, is the Jiwitendriya. Yeah, that is called the Nama Jiwitendriya. Yeah, Nama Jiwitendriya. It is Nama. Yeah, mental. And next is the material Jiwitendriya. And one of the 28 material is the Jiwitendriya. That is called the Rupa Jiwitendriya. So there are two kinds of Jiwitendriya. So that's why Jiwitendriya is a mixed faculty. And a pure mental faculties is the first one is the Manendriya as the ultimate reality, all Jaitas. And the Sukhendriya, so Sukha Vedana, yeah, Sukhendriya, Sukha Vedana, Vedana Chitasika found in Sukha Sahagada Kaya Vijnana Chita. Yeah, it is that is one of the seven resultant consciousness. Yeah, and akusala vipaka. Yeah, akusala vipaka. Sorry, no. Ahetuka kusala vipaka, sukha. Yeah, ahetuka kusala vipaka. So one of the ahetuka kusala vipaka, rootless, wholesome consciousness. Yeah, resultant consciousness. And next is the Dokhendriya. Dokhendriya, Dukkha Vedana. Yeah, Vedana Chitasika found in Dukkha Sahagata Kaya Vijnana Chitta. So this one is one of the Akusala Vipaka Chitta. Yeah, 7. Yeah, and Dominus Saindariya. Dominus Saindariya is the Dominasa Vedana. Yeah, Dominasa Vedana. Vedana Chitasika 2 found in 2 Dominasa Sahagata Chitta. Yeah, 2 Dosa Mula Chitta, hatred root consciousness, and Upekhendariya, Upekha Vedana, and Vedana Chitasika found in 55 Upekha Sahagata Chitta. Yeah, so what are the 55? If you remember all these, that is better. Yeah, that is better. You know, like in the lower mula is a 4, and dosa mula no, ubeka and moha mula 2, and akusala vipaka 6. Yeah, 6, and ahetuka kusala vipaka also 6 or something like that. If you know all, remember all these, that is better. That will be very helpful, yeah, to continue learning the Abhidhamma. Okay, so for the beginner, if you don't remember, you should recap. Yeah, you should try to remember all these, the ultimate reality. And next is Sattendriya, Satta. Yeah, Satta Chitasika, that is the that can be found in the 19 universal beautiful mental factors. Yeah, Sobhana 19 Sobhana Chitasika. There's a Satta, faith. Yeah, so Satta Chitasika found in 59 Sobhana Chitta. So 59 Sobhana Chitta is easy to remember. So excluding 12 Akusala and 18 Ahituka. So the rest 59 are Sobhana Chitta. And next is the Viriya Chitasika, found in 73 Jaitas accompanied by Viriya. So 73 Jaita. So what are the Jaitasika that are not accompanied by Viriya? This are altogether 16 Jaita. Yeah, 16 Jaita in the Ahituka. Yeah, Ahituka. And so the rest 73. Yeah, the rest 73 Jaitas are accompanied by Viriya. So that Jaitas are called the Viriyendriya. And Sattendriya, Sati. So Sati 2, it exists in the 19 Sobhana Chitasika. Yeah, Sati Chitasika found in 59 Sobhana Chitta. And next is a Samadhendriya, Samadhi. Yeah, Samadhi Ekagata. Yeah, Ekagata Chitasika found in 72 Viriya Sampayutta Chitta except Vichikecha. Yeah, so so Samadhi Ekagata. Here only one. This one is a little bit different from the Chittasika chapter, because Ekagata Chittasika can be found in all Jata, but 16 Jata which are not accompanied by Viriya, they are not they cannot be included in the Indriya. Yeah, So we say that they don't deserve to consider as a indriya. Yeah. So viriya. So without viriya, without energy, so all these data, do not deserve to be considered as indriya. So that's why only 72. So viriya is a 73, but we need to exclude Vichikecha, because Vichikecha is not does not deserve to govern. Yeah, they are not able to govern the accompanying factors. Yeah, so that's why you need to exclude Vichikecha again. So that's why altogether 72. Yeah, 72. Okay, so the rest four are connected with the Panya. Yeah, Panya. So the first one is Panya Indriya, Panya. Yeah, Panya Indriya, Cetasika, found in Panya Sampayutta Citta. So there is a new term in this chapter. Panya Sampayutta Citta, 12 in the Kamavachara, Sobhana, and Rupavachara 15, Arupavachara 12, and Lokottara 8. So altogether, Panya Sampayutta Citta 47. Yeah, 47. So the last three is a very difficult Pali term for the beginner, difficult to translate too, Anenya Tenya Sami, Anenya Tenya Sami Tendriya. Yeah, Anenya Tenya Sami Tendriya. So that for that one, Panya Indriya Cetasika, found in the first Magga Citta. Yeah, first Magga Citta. And next one is Inyendriya. Yeah, Inyendriya, Panyendriya Cetasika, found in middle six Lokottara Citta. And the last one, Inyata Windriya. Inyata Windriya, Panya Cetasika 2, found in Arhata Phala Citta. So these are 22 Indriya faculties and their respective Dhamma body or ultimate reality. So in the Abhidhamma Sangaha, only these informations are mentioned. But so this is in the Tika. Yeah, Tika. This one is not very difficult to understand. Yeah, 5 faculties. Yeah, feeling. Yeah, regarding the feeling faculties. So 5 faculties regarding Vedana govern the experience of the taste of the object. The stronger the sensation Vedana, the more pronounced the taste becomes. Sukhendriya is connected with the Kaya Vijnana. Yeah, Kaya Vijnana. This one also you have already know that. And so it experiences the pleasant taste of pleasant tangible object. And Dokendriya does the unpleasant taste of unpleasant tangible object, Potaba Ramana. And Somana Sendriya experience the pleasant taste of the other 5 pleasant objects. Domina Sendriya too the same, but the difference is unpleasant taste. And Upekendriya experience the moderate taste of the objects, neither pleasant nor unpleasant. The more a faculty is strong, the more other associated mental phenomena becomes strong. Okay. This one is the last 4 Indriya, Panya Indriya. So the knowledge present in 47 types of triple-rooted consciousness. Yeah, triple-rooted consciousness, 47. Yeah, Aloba, Adosa, Amoha is called the faculty of wisdom, Panyendriya. That is the another. What is it? statements. Another teacher said that some consider the wisdom found in 39 mundane triple-rooted types of consciousness. I think that is not the best one. So mostly we say the knowledge or wisdom or panya found in 47 types of triple root that consciousness. So only that we say that, yeah. So 39 is a very some teachers say, yeah, some teachers say. And next, the knowledge present in the path of stream entry, Sotapadimagga, is called Aninya Tinyasami Tendriya. So here, Aninya Tinyasami, I write, I think in the PowerPoint slide, I send it to you. This one is not included. I put again here. Indriya Ananya, yeah, Ananyata. It means that I have never, yeah, I have never known, yeah, I have never experienced, I have never realized. In Yasami, I will try, yeah, I will try to realize, yeah. So that Indriya, you know, and something strange, is it's the name of the Ananya Tinyasami Tendriya. There are many teachers too in the commentary, yeah, according to the commentary. So they also think about it. Why the Buddha expounded four kinds of Panya Indriya, even there is only one Panya mental factors, yeah. So, but it is explained that so Aninya Tinyasami Tendriya was taught by the Blessed One to clearly reveal the inherent inclination, ajasaya. Yeah. So if in the Abhidhamma, if you don't understand something, if you don't understand why the Buddha guided in many different ways. So if you don't know the answer, you can say, oh, it is the Buddha expounded the Dharma according to the different inclination. So your answer might be 50%, sometimes 100%, 100% correct. So here too, so the Buddha give the four different kinds of indriya. So indriya depends. Yeah, the Buddha wanted to understand different individuals and different inclinations, ajasya, of the practicing individual yogi. This statement is true. Yeah. So this one too in the commentary. So in the yogi who desires to attain path and fruition, the inclination arises. I shall strive to know the deathless nibbana, or the Four Noble Truths, which I have never known. Which I have never known is aninyata. Yeah, na inyata. Aninyata, it means which I have never known before. In this beginningless cycle of existence, the knowledge of the first path, the stream entry, Sotapadimagga, which arises first in the person who practices with that desire, is called the, it is to be known by me faculty. It's very close translation. If we translate word by word, the faculty of I will strive, I will practice to realize what I have never known before. Indriya. Very long, very long. So I think we can summarize in this way, it is to be known by me, faculty. This is not very important. Yeah, you can remember Ananya, Tenya, Sami, Tendri. That's easy. And based on the statement, for the one who has undertaken the practice with the result. Yeah, result means I shall strive to know the deathless Nibbana or the Four Noble Truths. And I will know the unknown. Yeah, I will know the unknown before. So this is the faculty. The faculty indriya of the person, Pogala, who practices Patipana with the thought. I will know Nyasami. Yeah, Nyasami. This is the verb. Yeah. So even though the Ananya Nyasami Tendriya is a noun, but Nyasami is a achata. Yeah, achata. The one who has already learned the Pali may know that. It's a nyasami, it's a verb. I will know. Yeah, nyasami, or I will strive. I shall strive to know. And the faculty, I will know nyasami, the unknown, ananyadam. Yeah, ananyadam means the unknown before, meaning the Nibbana that has not been known, or the Four Noble Truth, is called the it is to be known by me faculty, Aninya, Dinya, Sami, Dendriya. Okay, so briefly to say, Penyendriya, yeah, the first Indriya, Penyendriya, found in the 47 types of triple rooted consciousness, is called the Penyendriya. And next is Ananya Dinya Sami Tendriya, found in the first part Mega, yeah, Sotapati Mega, and Inyendriya found in the middle 6 types of Logottara Chaita, and Inyata Windriya found in the less Rata Pala Chaita. Yeah, so they are called the Panya Indriya. Yeah, for 4 kinds of Indriya, Panya Indriya. Okay. Here too, I took it from the commentary. So these 3 faculties, so the last 3 faculties, the Ananya, Dinya, Sami, Tendriya, and the others were all taught in order to show the specific functions of the knowledge. So the Penya is only one, yeah, Panya is only one, but the Panya regarding the Lokuttara Citta or Lokuttara Panya, the Buddha wanted to clarify in three parts. Yeah, in 3 parts. So, but actually, the Sotapati Magga Panya is different. Sakadagami Magga, the Panya in the Sotapati Magga, Panya in the Sakadagami Magga, Panya in the Anagami, Panya in the Arhata Magga. Their function is totally different. I should say totally different. Yeah, not totally. We can say that their function is to eradicate, yeah, to eradicate their respective kilesa. But here in this Indriya, Indriya, the Buddha wanted to show three different parts, yeah, 3 different parts. So specific functions of knowledge. According to the order of abandonment, yeah, abandonment by the path states, Ananya, Tenya, Sami, Tendriya has the function of abandoning, according to the Sodanta method from among 10 factors, identity view, deity, and attachment to rites and ritual, Silabda Brahmasa, and doubt. So the function of the Panya found in the Sotapati Magga or Ananya, Tenya, Sami, Tendriya is to abandon these three Sanyojana, factors. And the middle one, the Inyendriya, has the function of attenuating sensual desire, kama raga, and ill will, vyabhata, when associated with the one's ratana, path, sagadagami magga, the function of abandoning sensual desire and ill will when associated with the non-ratana, path, anagami magga, and the function of completely and without reminder, abandoning the remaining factors when associated with the arhata magga. And the last one, as for the Inyata Vindariya, since it is the knowledge of the fruition, Inyata we, Inyata we, it means I have already realized, I have already known, so that means Inyata we. So Arhata Magga, until here, Arhata Magga has already eradicated all kinds of fetters. So there is nothing left to eradicate. So the last one, Inyata Vindariya, since it is the knowledge of the fruition of arahaship, Radapala, it has the function of leading its associated mental states to have Nibbana as their object, having discarded exertion and worry because all texts are completed. So you don't need to exert or you don't need to worry. Oh, I still have to eradicate the Sanyojana fetters. At the stage of the Arhata Pala, you don't have such a kind of worry and you don't need to try like before. Okay, so according to the commentary, the Buddha wanted to show the specific functions of the knowledge or wisdom, Panya. Okay, so this one is the rims and indriya. So I don't know why I made it my hand raising. I don't know where I clicked. I wonder who is raising the hand. Okay, I don't know how to remove that. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in the 22 Indriya, these 10 Indriya can be found in the Kama realm only. Kama realm only. Chakundariya, Sotindriya, Ganindriya, Jewindriya, Kayindriya, Eitindriya, Purisindriya, Sukhindriya, Dokindriya, Domanasindriya. In the Rupa Rim, in the Rupa Rim, some people might say the Chaku and Soda, Chaku Soda in the Rupa Rim. But here, this table shows that only in the Kama Rim, only in the Kama Rim. Only in the Kama Rim, in the Rupa Rim, so then it should be, So when I teach to the Burmese people, it was clear. I didn't prepare because it was so easy. I say, what is that? What is that? Okay, only in the Kama Rims. Chaku Sota, Chaku Sota. So let me think again, let me think again. So why it is that? But the rest are clear, the rest are clear. And Ghana, Jewa, Kaya is only in the Kama, it's 80 Bawa, Puris, Pombawa, only in the Kama ring. And the Sukha, yeah, Sukha is connected with the Potabharamana, yeah. There is no Potabhar, how to say, Sukha, Dukkha in the Brahma ring regarding with the Potabharamana. So I hope you got that, yeah. So Brahma, they have the body, yeah, they have the body, but they don't feel, yeah. What is it? Sukha and dukkha. Yeah, they don't have this kind of uh, sukha vedana, dukkha vedana, because they don't experience the tangible object. Yeah, only chakku and sota I may confuse. Yeah, and dukkha and domanassa is very clear. You cannot find in the rupa, arupa, lokuttara. And in the four realm, yeah, kama, rupa, arupa, lokuttara. So these 8 faculty can be found in 4 realm. Jivitendriya, so of course, kama, rupa, arupa, lokuttara, and manendriya, and better partially we have to say, yeah, and upekendriya, respectively, not partially, some mana, jeta can be found in the kama, some in rupa, some in arupa, some in arupa, lokuttara. And upekendriya too, the same. And saddha, viriya, sati, samadhi, panya. So all these 8 can be found in 4 realms. And somana sendriya. Somana sendriya can be found only in 3 realms, no in arupa, not in the arupa. So arupa is only ubaka, yeah, ubaka, and lokuttara. So ananya, tanya, sami, dendriya, anyendriya, and inyata, wendriya. So this is the stuff from the Sakadagami. Yeah, Sakadagami, Sotapati Phala, Sakadagami Maga, and the rest. So all these can be found only in the Lokuttara. And okay, yeah. So Chaku Sota. Sali Aganyali. Do you remember? Chaku Sota. It should be in the Kama and Rupa. Yeah. So at the moment, that's come into my mind. Okay, I will tell you later. Okay, so next is the power bala. Yeah, power bala. And there are 9 kinds of bala. Saddha bala, faith power, viriya bala, energy power, sati bala, mindfulness power, samadhi bala, concentration power, panya bala, understanding, hiri, shame, oddabba, fear, ahirika, shamelessness, anuddabba, fearlessness. So all these are the 9 types of bala. So the last 2, ahirika bala, shamelessness power, and nuddabba bala, fearlessness power, akusala bala. Yeah, akusala bala. So Mr. Raymond, you can ask me like why the other akusala are not regarded as as the bala. But if we look at the commentary, we don't have the what is it, the knowledge, or yeah, sufficient knowledge to understand with our own thought. Yeah, so that's why we have to look at the commentary. If we look at the commentary, the commentary said, the Ahirika Bala and Anuttappa Bala, only these 2 has a very strong power. Strong power. So that's why that is it. Yeah, that's it. Not no other explanation. Okay, so if we ask the akusala bala, kusala bala too, yeah. So only sada, viriya, sati, samadhi, panya, yeah, panya. So these five is always strong, yeah, in the Indriya, Bojjhanga, so everywhere, yeah. If we want to understand the Dhamma, if we want to what is it, progress in the Dhamma practice, these five is always important. But here, Hiri and Ottappa, we cannot see all the time as a strong factor. Yeah, strong factor. But the Hiri and Ottappa is considered as a Bala. We don't know. Yeah, no. Okay, the mental state, which has an ability to remain calm and unshaken when it encounters opposing mental states, is called Bala. Yeah, so we can see that Ahirika. So if the Ahirika Bala shamelessness power is very strong, so you will do a lot of unwholesome things, evil things. From this point of view, it is very clear, and Anuttapa too. Yeah, and also in the contrary, Hiribala, shame power. So if you are very shame, if you have the shame power, then you will not do any evil deeds. Yeah, evil deeds, shame power, fear power. So that's why. And again, Sadabala, faith power. If you are strongly believe in the karmic, yeah, karma, cause and effort, if you strongly believe in the Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, you will never do any kinds of bad deeds, evil deeds. So viriya too, So viriya can be found in the akusala too, but but here viriya bala akula. So they're both, yeah, both. So if you have the very strong energy power, yeah, strong energy power to do the evil deeds, nobody cannot tell you not to do. You know, nobody cannot. Even though other people, hey, come on, don't do, yeah. So Raimond, don't do. Then nobody cannot hold you. You will continue to do. So like that, yeah. Sati, yeah, sati. According to the Abhidhamma, found only in the Sobhana Citta, beautiful Citta. And Samadhi, concentration power, it's a mix. Yeah, mix. If you're very concentrated, we always see some people, yeah, some people, they play the cards the whole night. Some people play the cards 2 nights without moving, without sleeping, without sleeping. This is concentration power, I think. I think around 5-10 years ago, I have read the news. There's a boy from the Korea that he plays the game, computer game, 2 days, 3 days. So he dines on the chair. Yeah, on the chair. So maybe he might have had the concentration, very strong concentration power. But in the akusala, yeah, the akusala. In the kusala, and to do the kusala, if you have the very strong concentration power, so you are able to focus on what you are doing. Yeah. And panya pala, yeah, it is only for the wholesome deeds, yeah, not in the akusala. Okay, so that's why when we do the good deeds, in doing the good deeds, in doing the bad deeds, so these 9 factors, if they are very strong, nobody cannot control you. Yeah? Nobody cannot stop you. So that's why they are called the bala. Yeah? Okay, so here, ability to remain calm and unshaken. So even though other people tell you not to do, you remain calm and unshaken. Yeah, unshaken. You are continue doing. Seven powers beginning with Sada are called the Bala because they always remain calm and unshaken when they encounter their opposing mental states, such as the absence of faith, um, laziness. So these are respectively that they are opposing mental factors. Yeah. So faith and laziness and virya, lack of mindfulness, restlessness, ignorance, shamelessness, fearlessness, or wrongdoing. They can be either wholesome kusala or indeterminate abhyagata. It should be understood for akusala, bala, and wholesome power in the opposite way. So the Dhamma body, ultimate realities of powers are easily understandable in the same way as in India. Yeah, Indriya, not India. Indriya. So Sada, so ultimate reality is the Sada Chitasika found in the 59 Sobhana, beautiful, beautiful Chitas. And the Virya, so except 16, yeah, 16 kinds of Chita and Aviriya Chita, yeah, 16 Aviriya Chita. So the rest, I think 73, 73 are found in this 73 Cheta. Sati and 59, yeah, 59 Sobhana Cheta, and Samadhi. So Samadhi is Ekagata. So Ekagata normally, yeah, normally found in the all Cheta, yeah, accompanied by all Cheta, but 16 Aviriya Cheta, yeah, 16 Aviriya Cheta. So because they don't have energy or effort, they are not accompanied by virya, they are not considered as a bala too. Yeah. So I hope you can you if you don't remember, you can read this one. Yeah. So here, Ekagata, Magga, Indriya, Bala. Yeah. So Ekagata and Samadhi Indriya. You have to read this one. Okay. I will not repeat. Okay. And next, Panya. Yeah, Panya is Panya Sampayutta Cheta 47, and Hiri. Yeah, Hiri 2. It is one of the 19 universal beautiful mental factors. So 59. Yeah, found in the 59 Cheta. Ottappa 2, one of the 19 universal beautiful mental factors. So the same as Hiri. And Ahirika. So Ahirika manufacturers is accompanied by the 12 unwholesome akusala Cheta. Yeah? And Anuttapa 2 found in the 12 unwholesome akusala Cheta. So that's Dhamma bodies or ultimate realities of power. It's very easy to understand. The same as in India. Okay. Next is the dominant adipati. Yeah, adipati. There are four kinds of adipati. Chanda adipati, will, dominance. Virya adipati, energy, dominance. Chitta adipati, mind, dominance. Vimansa adipati, inquiry, dominance. They have the ability to control or govern all coexistence phenomena without any rival, to make them conform to their will. That's why they are called adipati. In Myanmar, we adipati, we Burmese language we adapted, yeah, adipati. So when you give some advice to the student, you must have the adipati. Yeah, if you do something, you have to try to reach the adipati level. Yeah, adipati level. So if you try, if you do something, if you are able to reach the adipati level, nobody cannot stop you. Yeah. So not only in the good deeds, but also in bad deeds. Yeah, adipati is like that. And here the question is, the indriya is the faculty or governing. Adipati also governing. So what is the difference? So the distinctive nature of adipati and indriya in governance. So both are in govern. Here is a very good example. Yeah. So the governance of adipati is akin to the rule of his sovereign king. Everyone must follow his will. Yeah. So if you have the chanda adipati, so if you are doing something, for example, good deeds, leading the chanda adipati, so all the viriya, chitta, and vimansa must follow the chanda. If you do the good deeds leading the viriya, so that viriya reach the adipati level, all the chanda, chitta, and vimansa must follow the viriya. So the rest, yeah, chitta and vimansa too. And so the adipati is like a sovereign king. Everyone must follow his will. Yeah. The governance of Indriya is similar to the rule of ministers. So you know the ministers, so they govern only their respected domains. Yeah. And for example, the Minister of Health governs only the health department. So they cannot govern all other all other department. Yeah, all other department. So these are the difference between the adipati and indriya in governance. And chanda adipati, chanda, cetasika, which are associated with 42 types of dvihetuka javana and tihetuka javana. So here too, you should try to make yourself familiar with this dvihetuka javana. Yeah, dvihetuka javana is the in the 24 kamavachara chaita. Yeah, jnana vipayuta chaita. Yeah, jnana vipayuta chaita 12. Yeah, are dvihetuka chaita. Now dvihetuka javana. Yeah, dvihetuka javana, and for the kusala. Yeah, for the kusala, and the tihetuka javana is the rest 12, jnana sambhayuta chaita and rupa arupa lokuttara. Yeah, that is the chanda adipati. So in the loba mula chaita, yeah, loba mula chaita, loba and moha. Dosa mula chaita, dosa and moha. Yeah, moha. So these are two, and akusala dvihetuka javana. Yeah, akusala dvihetuka javana. And so ika hetuka, they are not considered as the adipati. Yeah, they are not enough energy or an ability to govern. Yeah, to govern. And viriya adipati, viriya cetasika, which are associated with 52 types of dvihetuka javana, and tihetuka javana. And the Chaita adipati also 52 types of dvihetuka javana and tihetuka javana. And vimansa adipati, panyendriya cetasika, which are associated 34 types of tihetuka javana. So tihetuka javana, lokuttara, Jeta, and Arupa and Rupa. So and then 12. Yeah, 12 altogether 34. I hope so. Calculate. I'm not good at mathematics. Okay, yeah. So, Panjandariya Chirasika, which are associated with the 34 types of Diheduka Javana, not Dviheduka. Yeah, not Dviheduka. So, these are, this is the Adipati. Okay. So, I think for today, let me stop here for today. Yeah, because my mood is other's house. So